Good morning, students. Students, today we are going to start chapter number 4, Gender Discrimination. Now let's begin the story. My grandmother wanted a boy, Sania Nehwal. Sania Nehwal is one of the most sought after female sporting stars in India. But when she was born in Patriarchal, Haryana, her own grandmother refused to look at her because of the inherent discrimination against the girl child in the state. Okay, students, do you know about the Sania Nehwal? Sania Nehwal is one of the most famous among the female sporting stars of India. She was born in Haryana, her home state. Her grandmother didn't accept her because of natural separation of girl child in her state. उसकी ग्रैंडमदर ने उसके बर्थ के टाइम उसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया. क्यों? क्योंकि उस स्टेट में ज़्यादातर गर्ल चाइल्ड को एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया जाता. I was really surprised when I was told that my grandmother did not come to see me till a month after my birth. I was born 7 years after my only sister Chandranshu, and my birth was a big disappointment for her. The ace shuttler, fresh from a gold medal at the Commonwealth Games, wrote in a column. But in it, there is a message that I understood very well now about the discrimination against the girl child, she said. In this paragraph, Sania said that it was a shocking news for her when she got to know that her grandmother did not come to see her after her birth. She had a sister who was 7 years older than her, named Chandranshu. She also said that now she was fully aware about the discrimination. Discrimination means a practice of separation against the girl child. Sania still counts her blessings for having parents who were liberal enough to allow her pursue sports. My mother Usha Rani had represented Haryana in badminton, and she was consistent in her encouragement. That helped me build my career successfully, and just at the age of 14, I had a sponsor in Bharat Petroleum and Deccan Chronicle. We live in an apartment bought with my prize money, and my parents have taken care that it is in my name today, she revealed. Many Haryanvi sports persons, particularly women, are not half as lucky. They do not have generous sponsors even after doing exceedingly well, she wrote. Students, as we read in this paragraph, that Sania felt herself blessed with such a parents who allowed her for sports. Her mother Usha Rani, who represented Haryana in badminton, was always fixed to her aim of badminton. She was motivated by her mother, which was the reason for her to build her future career. She was even rewarded by Bharat Petroleum and Deccan Chronicle when she was 14 years old. She and her parents lived in an apartment bought by Sania with her prize money. सानिया इसमें यह भी बताती हैं कि बहुत सारे स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन, मेनली वुमेन जो थे, जो कि हरियाणा से बिलोंग करते थे, वो सानिया की तरह लकी नहीं थे. Even they are not sponsored freely, even if they have done very well. Even she was very grateful to Haryana government's efforts for praising the international performance. Now, but she lauded the Haryana government's efforts to recognize international performers. The Haryana government has in the last 2 years offered several incentives, the highest prize money for medal winners at the Commonwealth Games and a car too. No state has matched this so far. This is a welcome sign for sports women like us as it gives them new recognition, she said. Haryana, which has a skewed sex ratio of 847 women to every 1,000 men, is notorious for female infanticides and honor killings. Sania said given the scenario, it was incredible to have Haryana women doing well in the sporting arena. Men are domineering in rural Haryana, and that shows in sports too. That Haryanvi women are in the spotlight for their excellent performance and have brought many medals to the state should make a difference, she said. My uncles and other relatives are against encouraging girls in every aspect, and that includes sports. I hardly interact with them. My parents are more open, they back me all the way, she said. सानिया बताती हैं कि हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट ने जो कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स में और भी जो मेडल विनर्स थे उनके लिए कुछ ना कुछ प्लान किया था। उन्होंने कहा कि जो हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट है उन्होंने हाई प्राइज़ मनी देने का जो जितने भी मेडल विनर्स थे उनको हाई प्राइज़ मनी या कार देने का प्लान किया था। एंड शी थॉट दैट दे प्रेज द sport person by giving them such a kind welcome. Haryana, which have a suggested sex ratio of 841 women to every 1,000 men, must be blamed for killing first girl child and for killing just for fame. She also said that it was written in a script about Haryana women doing well in sports field. Men of Haryana are being proud in rural areas and in sports even. They are actually being proud of the हरियाणा की जो वुमेन थी उन्होंने स्पोर्ट्स में इतनी ज़्यादा दिन और रात मेहनत की और अपनी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस के कारण उन्होंने बहुत सारे मेडल्स भी जीते, जिसके कारण क्या था कि हरियाणवी जो वुमेन्स थी वो बहुत उनको अपने आप पे प्राउड था। शी टोल्ड अबाउट हर सेल्फ दैट हर अंकल वॉज अगेंस्ट दिस। उसके अंकल भी इस चीज़ के खिलाफ थे कि क्यों गर्ल्स जो हैं वो किसी भी आस्पेक्ट में पार्टिसिपेट करें, लेकिन उसको इस चीज़ की कोई फिक्र नहीं थी। क्यों? क्योंकि उसके जो पेरेंट्स थे वो उसको अच्छी तरह से सपोर्ट कर रहे थे। सो द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज गर्ल चाइल्ड शुड बी ड्यूली रिस्पेक्टेड। सो स्टूडेंट्स, इट मीन्स everyone should respect a girl child and not kill them on their birth time. Thanks and have a nice day.